Per pretrial, he's tested positive presumptively because they have to send it to a lab for confirmatory for alcohol and THC.
Positive test right out the gate. This is already setting up for fireworks. But the bigger question, will the judge see it as a slip or as defiance?
I think they described his behavior as
threatening.
Well, I didn't get threatening, but
I got threatening.
Okay.
And I'm going to tell you now, I'm not going to have you, and I'm not going to stand for your threatening anyone in this court at any time. That is every part of this extension of us. I don't care where you're going. I don't care what building you're in, whether you're in pretrial services, whether you're taking a drug test. It's unacceptable, and I'm revoking your bond, and he now goes with you.
if I can, Judge, I don't believe there has been actually any evidence presented to warrant a bond revocation.
She told me yesterday that there had been multiple threats.
So, all right, to circle back, there's a couple things. In speaking with pretrial, I have not received any information about threats. I've received information about cursing and rude behavior.
Yes, Judge. There was no threat of harm or anything like that.
This is more than a legal ruling, it's courtroom theater. The judge isn't just revoking bond, he's sending a message: respect my court or pay the price. Would you call this fair or too far?
He was making people in our office a little bit uncomfortable just with his demeanor and the things that he was saying, but none of it, to my knowledge, has been anything, putting anyone in danger, threatening danger, anything of that sort.
This is where
You have an open criminal case. You're to be humble and contrite. And when you're not, and when you're threatening, abusive, harassing, I'm going to take care of you and I will light you up like a damn Christmas tree. Do you understand? It is unacceptable, the behavior that you have displayed here with myself, with pretrial, with the people down over there. And if you don't straighten up and fly right, I'm going to be all over you. Do you understand? One false move again. This is not supposed to be a happy time for you. And I don't know what I need to do to get your attention. But next time, I will classify you as a danger, revoke your bond, and make it so high you will have teeth falling out. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Take a seat.
Thank you, Judge. Back to your point. Do you have a preference on the reset date, Judge?
Tell me what he tested positive for.
It was THC and alcohol, Judge.
Okay.
This is where I'll add that the court added bond conditions yesterday, so he had the magistrate.
I understand.
Okay.
He did have these magistrate orders in October that I did see that he was instructed over. It didn't have no alcohol, but it did have
October what?
October
14th, 15th.
Give me the last name again.
Bledsoe, B-L-E-D.
Oh no, he's still smoking weed then. I mean, if they told him not to use...
This is the gray zone in law, rude versus threatening. Judges often have to play referee between intent and perception. And trust me, cases can flip depending on which side of that line you land on.
Not to use any kind of illegal drugs, and he tested positive right now? Give me the date, please. Come up, Mr. Bledsoe. You're not off the hook yet.
This is where I will repeat my assertion that since he's out on bond, he's entitled to a hearing.
Notice the escalation here. The judge is cranking up the pressure. Warnings turn into promises of sky-high bond. Think about it. If you were in that chair, would you feel scared straight or just
where the rules of evidence would apply?
What we're doing right now.
Well, they're not going to object to hearsay to anything and everything being heard by the court.
What day was the magistrate condition for no using, please? October 20th.
About THC seltzers that I could buy at Specs that have no alcohol but have THC in them.
You are not to use alcohol. You are not to use illegal drugs. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt, and I'm going to test you again in 2 weeks from today. If you test positive for THC again, and I don't care what it is, I don't care if it's a gummy, I don't care if it's a joint. I don't care if it's Delta 8, if it's Delta 9, if it's Delta 352, whatever it may be. You will stay with me.
The judge shows rare patience here. One last chance. But let's be real, second chances in court don't come cheap. Slip again, and this courtroom mercy shuts down fast.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Get whatever records you need. But if you test positive for THC again, you're on notice now. You will stay with me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Have a seat back in there. Come on. But did you have a preference on the reset date, Judge?
2 weeks, whatever you want.
Oh, I'm sorry, you're right. You said
And
2
I'll
weeks.
test them back and we'll see.
Do you
But
want,
by then it'll be sufficient benefit that there's just no argument.
do you want him 2 weeks from today testing on that date?
Yeah.
Okay.